This is in workbook, page 27, AGM3E. Let's create a game when the player can control a bat to kill mosquito. Open the file AGM3E underscore mosquito. Save your file as mosquito your name. So where to open the file? Please go to this PC. Then you go projects. Then you see any picture name, press P. Hang Yuan Xin. Then you have CPA Set 3, AGM, AGM3. Then you are at AGM3E. You can open this file, AGM3E Mosquito. Okay, once you have opened this file, do remember to save the file. So save as. So you can save it inside your workspace. Okay, your section, then as mosquito underscore your name. Okay, then let's see what do we have inside. Okay, inside your stage, you have 2 backdrop. Then you have 1 mosquito with 2 costumes. Then you have a bat. Okay, look at the mosquito. The mosquito has some blocks here. Then the bats also got some blocks here. Okay, let's look at the question. See what do you need to do. When the game starts, the game background is displayed. So when the game starts, switch backdrop to game background. Okay, you already have it. The rest I'll move them one side. Okay. Next, set score. Score is set to 0, life is set to 3. So you need a data. Score. Set score to 0. Then make another variable. Life. Then you set life to 3. Okay, then the mosquito start from random position on the left side of the screen and move towards the right. So see this one? This is starting at the left side. See, it's always randomly at the left side, somewhere at the left side. Okay, so this go to. Okay, then you need to move right. Since I don't know what's the condition yet, so I'm going to use a forever block for it to be able to move. Next costume, move and wait. See? Okay, so it's moving from left to right. Whenever I click the green flag, it's going to start the random position from the left. Okay. During the game, the bat is controlled by up and down arrows. Look at the bat. So you got up arrow. The rest all put one side. Okay, choose right. So you got this up arrow. Then you got down arrow. Down arrow, negative. Okay, let's see. So if I use up arrow, okay, problem. You can up until I disappear. You also can down until it disappears. So I must do something. I must say if it go too up, it stay at this position. It go too down, it stay at this position. So stay at position is a motion. Stay at position. Okay, the Y position. Okay, if the Y position is too high, and it go higher than 150, then I must make sure it only stay at the 150. How can I do that? So I say if it's too high, I will set Y to 150. So I check, connect them together, and check if the bat go too high, more than 150, it will always stay at 150. It's the same thing. If I have Y position too low, that is lower than the Y position, too low, which is lower than negative 150, then you set the Y position at negative 150. So it cannot go lower than negative 150. Let's try. Go low. Okay. So you always be seen on the screen. Okay. When the spacebar is pressed, the bat is rotated 30-degree clockwise and anti-clockwise again. So when the space key is pressed, it shows clockwise, then wait for a while, then anti-clockwise again. Okay. Then the mosquito is hit by the bat. Score increased by 1. Okay, you got broadcast smash here. But how do I know that it's actually smash? Must have a condition, right? If that the mosquito is touched by the net, this part here. So I say if is touching the mosquito is touching the net, then you broadcast smash. Okay. Then here, when I receive smash, I need to lower the score. I need to change the score by 1. Then what else? The mosquito reappear the random position. Reappear random position, which is this spot here. And use this again. Okay, so let's check. Okay, mosquito 555. The mosquito very slow. You can either increase this, let's say increase to 30 steps at a time. Much faster. Okay, smash. See? Smash, smash. Didn't. Okay? Okay, mosquito need to reappear. Mosquito touching the edge, what to do? Let's see. Hit by the bat. If mosquito reach the right edge of the screen, life is decreased by 1. So, if the mosquito touching the edge, then the life is decreased by 1. How to decrease? Just minus 1. Then the reappear at the random position. So I need this reappear at random position. Okay, I reappear first, then I change, then you don't touch too many times. Okay, so this maybe I go inside. Let's try. Okay, let it touch. Okay, random position decrease. Random position decrease. Okay, looks fine. Next, at the end of the game, when the score reaches 5, appropriate background is displayed. So another is score reaches 5, how to do? Equal score equal to 5. Then I need to show the background to the ending one. Okay. Then another condition, if the line reaches 0, the moving backdrop display. So if the line becomes 0, then you need to have the losing. Okay. And then what else? Mosquito stop moving, the game ends. Stop moving. Stop all. Okay, but here, since I cannot use forever already, I need to use repeat until. Okay, so I have two conditions, either win or lose. So or, so winning got the score equal to 5, losing got the life equal to 0. So either winning or losing, play the game, then if win, if lose, then stop all. Okay, touching egg don't need. Okay, when it's stopped already, at the start you must show. Okay, at the end you must hide. Okay, let's see. Does it work? Okay, let's say losing. Okay, going to lose soon. Okay, losing background. The bet is not hidden. What should I do? So you need to broadcast, hide for the bet to hide. Okay, then the bet says when I receive hide, then the bet needs to hide. Okay, but remember after you hide, you must show somewhere. So at the start, you use this, the bet show. Okay, let's see. So playing, let's say lose, lose, faster. Lose. Okay, all disappeared. But when I click the green flag, all appear here. Okay, we're done with the back. Now we need to represent this script using a flow chart. So you draw in your workbook, page 28. Okay, how do we draw? So I got the script here. So when green flag click, first thing green flag click means what? You need to draw the start. What's the start button? Okay, terminator button. This one. Okay, then arrow. Repeat until score equal to 5. So score, is the score equal to 5 or not? Means it's a division button. Okay, if the score is equal to 5, yes. Okay, when score equal to 5, do what? Switch backdrop to end background. Okay, that's the parallelogram. Switch, uh, switch to end background. Okay, a parallelogram. Input output. Then stop all. Stop all means going to end. End is a terminator. Okay, that's for yes. Okay, this is yes. When score equal to 5. Okay, no. No inside here. Score is not yet 5, so you still can play the game. Next costume is a parallelogram. Next costume. Okay, parallelogram, followed by move 10 steps. Move 10 steps is a normal thing. So, move 10 steps. Okay, then how? You're going to look back and check, right? So, loop, 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 loop until here. Alright, so it's going to loop and loop and loop and loop until yes, then switch right drop, then you end the thing. Okay, so finish.